How you doing? How you doing?
That's making an interesting noise.
I supercharged it right here.
Okay.
It's full bolt-on.
And still street legal then, huh?
Sure, yeah.
All right, I feel like I'm on the ground here.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Last 500 coming to you guys with another video. Alright guys, today we got an absolute banger. As you guys can see, I have the 1,000 horsepower trackhawk right here and the 1,000 horsepower Mustang right here. We're about to be returning back to my old high school to get my principal a ride along. He had ended up DMing me and said that he saw me doing my thing, so I told him I'd pull up on him with some heat. So yeah, we're about to head out right now, guys. I'm not even going to talk too much. Alright y'all, we're heading out. I'm in the Mustang obviously, and he's right there in the trackhawk. So yeah, we're about to pull up to my school right now. I'm not gonna lie guys, I haven't been back to my school in mad long. It's been at least like 2-3 years. So I'm really excited to go back, see how it is, but you guys are gonna be very surprised by the school. It's actually an all-guys school. Nah, I know. They're really good at sports, academically. I had a full ride scholarship for college. Kinda sucks that I dropped out to do YouTube. But anyways guys, it's like it paid off. You guys are helping me every day get one step closer to allow me to pursue my passion full time. Like I said, you guys are the best, so I appreciate you guys for real. But anyways guys, I have the 360 GoPro up, so we're gonna get some good reactions and cruise with the trackhawk to my school. That bitch screams, bro. Holy shit, he's catless, so yeah, that thing barking. Y'all thought I was playing, huh? We got a whole chapel over here. This thing is a true edifice. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is insane. My principal literally just got hit by a car last night, and he was in the ER. So like, dang, I never knew. So I don't think he's not here today. I hope he feels better. Praying for him, but shoot, I'm gonna see if my other principal is here so we can get something out of it while we're already at the school. So I'll keep y'all posted. We're about to walk up in there. Yeah, I'm gonna go here.
You can't be waking up the whole neighborhood.
Oh, what's going on? How you doing? How you doing?
You know I know the purple Mustang. Rumbling all the windows from a mile away.
Alright guys, it's about a week later and we're about to go return to campus. It was cool catching up with my other principal last week, but more importantly, the principal I was going to take on a ride along said that he feels better now. He was off the meds in 2 days, so that's really a blessing. But anyways guys, my homie with the trackhawk literally just sold it, so I'm just going to be pulling up solo today. I'm not even going to talk too much guys, let's head out and go get this ride along going now. Gassing up right now, I already made my little concoction right here. I feel like a mad scientist. Alright guys, I got the 360 GoPro set up again, and yeah, we ready to head out. Alright guys, we're pulling up right now. I'm hella excited to see his reaction. He's probably gonna be shook. He looks oh my goodness. How's it going? How you doing? How you doing?
Fine.
Yeah.
That's making an interesting noise.
Yeah, oh yeah.
My car doesn't make noise like that.
Oh, I wonder why. I don't know. It all came like this.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Sure.
straight out the factory.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been a while since you've seen it, huh?
I have. This is the same car?
Yeah, the same one. That was blue. Yeah,
Okay.
I wrapped it and everything. You know, I threw a supercharger on it. A few things, just a few modifications.
Looks beautiful.
Thank you, thank you.
So what all did you do to this? Explain to me.
I'll pop the hood for you. I gotta show them what's under the hood. So I pretty much I supercharged it right here.
Okay.
And then it's full bolt-on, so I got long tube headers. So I took off the caps, but we'll just say that they're there for the video. I put on a new intake manifold, a whole entire fuel system, so this thing can have the fuel to support all the power. And it's on E85, so it's not even on like regular pump gas. I can only go to certain like gas stations to fill it up.
Higher octane, I would assume, right?
Yep. There's a built motor in it now too, cause yeah, the other one had yeah, it went kaboom. But Yeah,
Did you have to redo your rear end and everything as well? Handle the horsepower or the torque or what?
I actually didn't. So the only thing I had to do was I had to put the axles though, because I had snapped one of my axles. These ones are built for like over 1,000 now. Oh yeah, I have like a lockout kit, better for traction and everything.
Okay.
But yeah, it has a good amount done to it, but still at the same time, it's kind of simple setup for like the power it makes, you know.
So how many horsepower does this thing have now?
What would say 900 plus?
900 plus.
What to say that?
Okay.
Yeah.
And still street legal then, huh?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, street legal.
Yeah, more or less.
Love it, yeah. You ready? The seats are pretty low.
Okay.
Yeah. They're racing seats.
It'll be easy to fall in. Maybe harder to get out. Oh yeah, these are like the wraparound seats. Hey.
They'll hug you nice though.
This is so my lower back can deal with the turns. Cornering, yeah.
Go.
Yeah, this is just like my Ford Escape, just different.
Same thing, they're both Fords.
Yeah, they're both Fords. I think the similarity ends right there. All right, I feel like I'm on the ground here. Yeah, the whistle.
Yeah, you can definitely hear it. So what would you say the fastest car you've been in would be?
Well, I have not been in too many fast cars in a long time. I was in there's the Honda that they used to make, the little Honda sports car. That's a pretty quick one.
Okay.
I don't know what top end speed, but it accelerates in corners really well.
Oh, okay.
In one of those. And then I was in college or high school. I knew a guy who was drag raced.
Oh,
and he had a hot car. So we went out to the raceway, and I got to sit and he just went like 0 to 100 and something, and then shut it down.
Yeah.
But that was crazy. It was the first time I had ever felt myself pushed back into the seat.
Yeah.
With acceleration, or just like whoa. I'm getting shoved back in the seat because we just went from 0 to 100 so fast.
Yeah, definitely.
But that's probably the fastest car I've ever been in.
That's dope.
But that was not street legal. That was a pure, It did have 2 seats in it. He did have like a passenger seat in it. But the rest of the car there was no back seat. Everything it had roll bars and all the other stuff in it to protect the driver.
Yeah. I got you. Let's get on it a little bit right here. Let's have a little bit of room. I mean, you kind of feel it getting a little squiggly because I'm not even on like my drag wheels, so these are kind of like the street tires.
Street tires, yeah.
Yeah,
exactly. So do you have buttons that you have somewhere, or controls to change the setting, like how much power you get?
Oh no, we're just all the power all the time. Yeah, because like one of my buddies has those, but he has like a turbo car. So the turbo cars is a lot easier to say, okay, I want this much power, this many pounds of boost and stuff. Okay. But mine's just all the power.
It's all the power all the time. Okay.
Yeah, so it just depends on how much throttle I give it, pretty much. So the next one, I'm gonna do it in a 4th gear because my 3rd gear, that one's actually gone. I blew up my 3rd gear. So I just go 1, 2, 4 when I'm driving. It's hilarious. I was gonna say that's very calm.
For me, that's
that was enough of an experience.
Yeah, my car don't do that.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Glad you like it though. No, I must have. Did you enjoy it, or was it just
no, that was fun.
Okay, cool.
That was fun.
That's all. All I really care about.
Yeah, it's fun. I don't know how fun I would have going 100 and something in one of these.
Oh yeah. So I mean, yeah, it's a little different.
At least on city streets. If I ride on maybe like on a race course or something, then it might be fun to crank it up into the
what's your review on the car?
Well, I'm glad I don't own it because I just figured working on it would be a nightmare. But it's a lot of fun.
Yes,
it's a lot
sir.
of fun driving in it, yeah. Or riding in it.
Yes, sir.
Don't think I'd feel real confident driving it.
No, okay.
A few moments later.
You need to push on the gas or brake.
No, the clutch.
The clutch.
Yep, all the way in and just,
Here
yep.
we go.
Okay. Principal about to go crazy. Give it a little bit more, a little bit more. Yes, sir. How do you feel about it? How do you feel about it?
Nice. But yeah, it was it's cool. I'm just you know, it's always neat to see you guys doing stuff that you enjoy and finding a way to make a living doing it. That's awesome.
Yes, sir. I appreciate the support for coming out here to definitely have fun. It's nice to see you.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's,
sir.
Good to see you, Gabe.
So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And we're out. Peace.
We're out. Peace.